Hello, and welcome to Moovee's tutorial video. Now that your account is created, let's log you in and book a vehicle. To get to our login page, you can either click on the link in the confirmation email you just received, or you can go back to our website, moovee.lu, and click on the link in the top right corner that will lead you directly to the login page. Once on our login page, you just need to enter the email and password you use for your registration and click on Validate. This is what your front page looks like, and booking a vehicle will only take you a few seconds. First of all, select the right formula for your trip. I'll come back on this point later. Then select your date and time of departure and return. If your company has more than one parking, please select the city and the appropriate parking. Finally, just select the approximate number of kilometers your trip should take, as it helps our system offer the appropriate vehicle, and press search. The system will offer the available and most appropriate vehicle for your trip. Now just click on book to select the vehicle you want for your trip. Only one last step and you'll be done. For vehicles that require a driving license, we ask you to certify that you are in possession of a valid one at the time of the booking. And you're done. Let's just come back quickly on something I skipped before. Some formulas allow you to book a vehicle in the evening or during the weekends. During those personal trips, a small contribution will be asked from you to use the vehicles. Everything is transparent. The price will be indicated to you prior to selection. Enjoy using Moovee and have a good ride.